Assalamu alaikum. This is the second lecture on direct and indirect speech. So today's lecture we will discuss for converting direct speech into indirect speech. We have already discussed difference between direct and indirect speech. So let's start. There are some rules in which we convert our direct speech into indirect speech. Rule number one is the reporting verb changes according to the type of sentence. If the sentence is assertive, then the reporting verb will be changed according to the type of sentence. If the sentence is interrogative, then the reporting verb will be changed according to the type of the sentence. Firstly, we will change our reporting verb. Then we will move to the second changing. The second rule is inverted commas are removed and replaced with connecting words. In first rule, reporting verb change, then you will remove your quotation marks, you will remove your inverted commas and replace with connecting words. Like in assertive sentences, we use that, but in interrogative sentences, we use if or whether. And in imperative sentences, we use to. So we use connecting word according to the type of the sentence. The third rule is change of person of pronoun. First person will be changed with the reporting speech subject, and second person will be changed with the reporting speech object, and third person will not be changed. First person are I and we, second person is you, third persons are he, she, it, they, or any singular name. The third person will not be changed. Then we will move to the other changing. Rule number four. Rule number four is take your screenshot of three rules. Okay, let's move to the rule number four. Rule number four is the tense of the reported sentence changes. Rule number four, the tense of the reported sentence changes, but only if the reporting verb say told is in past tense. The tense will be changed if the reporting verb, we have discussed there are two parts in direct speech, uh, without inverted commas and with inverted commas. Without inverted commas, this is the part of, you can see this, she said, this is the part of reporting speech. And I like coffee, this is the part of reported speech. If the reporting verb said is our reporting verb here, in first example you can see, if this is in past, then the tense changes will be occur in the reported speech. If the tense is in she says, she will say, then the tense will not be changed, but the other changes will remain same. If the reporting verb is in past, then present simple change into past simple. You can see she said, I like coffee. Here you can see we uh, remove our inverted commas and use that here. Said we use as it, and I change with the reporting speech subject. I will become she, and here present simple tense use here, and present simple tense change into past simple. Then other present continuous tense change into past continuous tense. He said, I am eating. Then it will become into he said that I change with the he. Firstly, we will change our reporting verb. If the reporting verb is not changed, then said is used as it. He said, remove your inverted commas that use here. Then you will change your subject pronoun. If the subject is first person, then it will be changed with the reporting speech subject. Then I will become he. Here, present continuous tense use here, and said is in past tense. If the reporting speech is in past, then the tense changes will occur. Then tense change into past continuous. That he was eating. And the third is present perfect change into past perfect. They said we have finished the work. They said that we remove our inverted commas and we change into they because it is a first person. First person will change with the reporting speech subject they. Here present perfect tense use here, and present perfect will change into past perfect. And fourth one is present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous. Ali said we have been waiting for an hour. Ali said that they had been waiting for an hour. Present perfect continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, and the uh, take your screenshot. And fifth one is past simple change into past perfect. If the reporting speech is in past and also the past simple present in the reported speech. I went to. This is also the past, and she said this is also the past. Then the tense changes will occur. Past simple change into past perfect. I went to school. Then it will become into had gone because when we use past perfect, we will use had and past participle form here, third form of verb here. And change number six is past continuous change into past perfect continuous. We were studying all night. Change into they had been studying all night. Past continuous change into past perfect continuous tense here. Okay, take your screenshot of changes of the tense. Changes of the tense. Remember that these changes will occur if the reporting verb is in past. Then we will change into the past. Okay, otherwise we will not change if the reporting speech is in present or future. Okay, next one. Note If the reporting verb is in the past, then will and shall in the reported speech change to would in all type of future tenses. Okay, if the reporting verb is in the past, then our reported speech is in future, then will and shall change into would. Here are the table of future tense change table in indirect speech. Future simple will shall go, would change into would go. Future continuous will be going, change into would be going. Future perfect will have gone, change into would have gone. Future perfect continuous change into would have been going. If our reporting verb is in past and reported speech is in future, then we will change will and shall into would in all type of future. Take your screenshot of future tense. Okay. When tense does not change, if the reporting verb is in present or future, then the tense will not be changed. He says, I play cricket, because our reporting verb is in present. Then the tense will not be changed, but the other changes, pronoun changes, other words changes, or remove inverted commas. We will change these. Uh, we will change these. He says that he plays cricket. Here we do not change any tense here because our reporting verb is in present. The second one is universal truth, proverbs or facts. She said the sun rises in the east. She said that the sun rises in the east. We will not change our universal truth. We will not change our proverbs. For example, if I say, the farmer said union is strength. The farmer said that union is strength. We will not change single tense words here. We will not change any word in universal truth or proverbs. The rule number 5 is change of certain words. Take your screenshot when tense does not change. Then we move to the rule number 5. Okay, next rule number 5 is change of certain words. Common words changes in indirect speech. You can see here today change into that day. Tomorrow change into the next day, the following day. Yesterday change into the previous day, the day before. Now change into then. Here become there. This change into that. These become those. Take your screenshot. You can, if you forget, then you can see the screenshot. Okay. Other words are ago change into before. Tonight become that night. Last night the previous night. The next week the following week. Last week the previous week. If these changes is present in the reported speech, then these words change into these words. Okay, that's all for today about how to convert our direct speech into indirect speech. Remember these rules, then you can easily convert your direct speech into indirect speech. So in the next video, we will discuss the types of sentences and how to convert type of sentences into indirect speech. Allah Hafiz.